Crafter's Companion has done two mirror collections. This is the second one, and these are colored. You get kind of a taste right there, but wow, let me show you what they actually are. They are 12 by 12. Look how thick that pad is, and I pulled out one of each. You're going to get 4 of each one, and let me show you the shine. This is on a mirror cardstock. The cardstock is 250 GSM. You can kind of hear it there. So again, you're going to get 4 of each one, and they have 4 different colors, so 4 seems to be the number. Very shiny, very pretty, and you get greetings, you get all kinds of, and by the way, these are also embossed. I feel the dimension as I rub my hand. Isn't that beautiful? Wow. And you get 2 styles in each color. Now that's interesting that you can cut that apart. We know that you can make 4 6x6 cards out of every sheet, and that just makes it easier. Very pretty with the snowflakes, and then snowflakes with Let It Snow. So all of these, doesn't that look pretty? It looks so much prettier than what you see on the front of the package, but you know there's only so much you can do in print. And as I said, 36 pieces, all 12 by 12, just beautiful, from our friends at Crafter's Companion.